Hey guys, what's up? Eugene back here again with another video, and this time it's for the Sony WH-1000XM4 headphones. I picked these guys up this week from Best Buy's Black Friday sale. It started a bit early here in Canada, and these guys retailed for 350 Canadian dollars. I got these guys mainly because with working and school from home, I needed a more comfortable option, something with good mic quality, and my old headphones, which were a pair of the Studio Beats, just clamped a bit too hard for me to wear comfortably through the day. So yeah, I got these guys. So far they've been good, but let's jump into it here. First things you see, the box, it was one of those slide out options, which I wish I knew earlier, but we learned. And getting into it, we have the headphones in the hard case and quite a few manuals, which me being me will not take a look at because I'll just wing it. Then as we hop into the case here, first things we can see is the zipper's tucked away nice and snug, which is nice, means no one can easily open it if it's clipped onto your bag when you're traveling. Nice rose gold zipper with Sony embossed onto it. Then as we open the zipper and get to the inside, here we can see that we have the headphones and a few accessories, starting with the airplane adapter, which no one really used in the first place and no one's using during these times, and the 3.5mm headphone cable, which I may use but definitely won't get too much use. Then a USB-C to USB-A cable, which is a bit odd to me in 2020 because most devices are USB-C, but I completely understand if you're using a battery bank or if you have a laptop that has a USB-A and USB-C. This means you can free up your USB-C for data and power transport. Then, when we get into the headphones themselves, they are tucked in nice and snug, which is good because that means they won't be flopping around in the case risking damage, but build quality is quite nice, quite sturdy. Here you can see that they have those rose gold accents similar to the case, a nice finish, nice thick ear pads, and the RL on the headphones to let you know which one's right and left. But yeah, let's get into the setup itself. So first thing is you want to make sure you've downloaded the Sony app for the headphones. Then you boot your headphones up, unlike me, that way they will actually appear on your phone. Then I'm just going to here start the screen recording so that we can see what I'm doing in a bit more clarity. And yeah, once it's booted up, it'll ask you which headphones you have, and it'll begin connecting. Your phone should pick up the headphones in Bluetooth, and here we can see mine has. And just a few seconds before it fully picks everything up, and they're finally connected. Then from there, it told me an app wasn't installed, so I decided to check out what it meant because I downloaded the Sony app, and that was just the Amazon Alexa or the Sony Music apps, which I don't think I have a use for, so went right back to the setup. You can download content that you, or your settings that you previously had on older versions, which I find is a nice feature. I skipped that. Then here, it just explains if you want the adaptive sound control. I turned that on just that way in case someone's calling me, or if I'm, let's say, on a jog, I can hear. And then next up, it asks you if you'd like to set up the 360 reality audio, which if I were watching movies or doing more audio stuff with these, I'll definitely set up, but for now, I skipped this just because these will be mainly used for classroom meetings, and I don't think anyone has a stereo mic setup for that. So once you complete your setup, you'll just get to the home screen and everything's ready and good to go, easy to use. Connected my laptop after, but other than that, this is it. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, stay safe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.